This is the Fable hard shell luggage, and they have provided me with this luggage in order to test it out, see how it works, and do an honest review. So this is the carry-on size, which is about 20 inches tall, including the wheels. I was super happy to get this because I love traveling and I go through luggage quite a bit. So I always like the hard shell because it just protects your items a little better than a traditional softer one. I love the wheels on this for sure. They spin around nicely, so nice and smooth. And you know, after a while, sometimes your wheels get messed up and worn down, and actually the one I have now doesn't even roll anymore. So super happy to have this nice, smooth rolling luggage. Nothing makes your trips more easy than walking through the airport with a smooth rolling luggage. Another nice feature, it has a built-in TSA lock. I'm gonna give you an up-close look at this, but basically you can change your code if you like, but it's very simple. You can just press that and the things pop right off to unzip. So let's open it up, take a look inside and see what we got in here. So on this side, we have the nice hollow space with the straps, which I normally use to hold my clothes in place. So this side, I'll normally just fold my clothes, put them there nicely, or shoes, and this strap will hold everything in place. On this side, I like already they have a very small mesh pocket here for some little items, maybe toiletries or things like that. And then let's open this. Oh, it's another pocket here. So there's another larger pocket here. This is really nice. I wouldn't have to use an extra little pouch or anything for toiletries. I would fit everything between these two. That will actually save me a lot of room because I usually have to bring a toiletry bag. And then, okay, this has a nice flat surface. So this, you could also use for clothes or shoes or whatever, but since it has this full closing part that covers better than this side, you could use this if you have smaller items or different things that you want to put in here. I'd probably put my kids' clothes in here and mine on this side. I don't know. I really like the style of the end. I'm an organizer, so I like to have different sections for different things to keep everything nice and organized. All right, let's close this back up. It has the double zipper. It is super lightweight, I should mention. Very lightweight, which is great for me because I'm not very strong and I don't like to pick up heavy things. So, you know, you're already going to be putting a lot of stuff in here. The last thing you want is to start out heavy. You want to start out light so that it can be as light as possible when it's full. And then you can just pop these right back in and you're locked up. So it does have a handle here and a handle here if you want to carry from the side or the top. And then it has a little lever here you push and you can pull this up for easy carrying when you're walking. I usually hold like this and push. So I'm really impressed of how smooth these wheels are. I can't say enough about that. I chose the color black because I just like that, but it does come in a lot of different colors. It also comes in the huge, larger full size, and it also comes in a two-piece set that has a little hard shell carry-on. So you could get the whole set if you want to. I'm happy with this carry-on. That's usually what I use. I don't pack very heavily. I personally really like this luggage. I'm very happy to have it. And I like the way it looks. I think it is a really great quality. So I give it a thumbs up. I would really recommend it. If you're interested in taking a look, I will leave a link, and thanks for watching.